Hey guys, in this video we will check out the new features released in Filmora 13.6. If you are a Filmora user, you will definitely want to watch this video to the end. So Filmora released 3 new features in the last update, and we are going to go through all of them. The first feature on the list is AI Object Remover. This AI feature allows you to remove or erase any static or moving object in your video. To use this feature, import your video to your timeline, and on the timeline, you see an erase icon. If you don't see it, click the custom toolbar and drag and drop the icon to the timeline header and click on Save. Click on your media and click on the erase icon, and a new tab will open up. Here, you have to highlight the object you want to erase from your video. So let's do that right now. Once you are done, click on the Remove button to start erasing. Once it is done processing, it will take a while to finish up rendering. Let's preview the video. The next feature is called Smart Search. This AI feature identifies characters or visuals in your project media by typing text. This feature can only be helpful when you are working with a lot of media files. It will easily sort related clips according to your text prompt. To use Smart Search, go to the project media and click on the default drop-down and click on the Smart option. Type in what you're looking for in your media. Let's type in car. It's going to bring out all the clips on the project folder related to cars. Let's try some more. The last feature is called Voice Changer. This tool allows you to add effects to change the sound of your voice. To use the effect, I will add a voice track to the timeline.
Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add captions or subtitles to video in the Filmora mobile app. If you don't
To add the Voice Changer effect, double-click on your audio track and click on Voice Changer. You can pick any effects from the voice filter or voice character. The voice character mimics the sound of the character chosen, while the voice filter adds effect to your voice track. Let's play around with them.
Hello, and welcome back to my channel. 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 Hello, and welcome back to my channel.
Hello, and welcome back to my channel.
Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video...
Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going...
Hello, and welcome back to my channel.
Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add...
Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Hello, and welcome back to my channel.
Hello, and welcome back to my channel.
If you are interested in learning more about how to edit better videos with Filmora, I recommend you check out the Creator Hub. It contains tons of amazing tutorials from creators around the world on YouTube. It's totally free. I will leave the link in the description for you to try it out. Check out the videos on the screen to watch more Filmora-related videos. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by dropping a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this. See you in the next video.